Day
like,
two.
I'm trying to replace
Hey,
it
day
with
two,
you.
day two, day two. We still Puerto Rico, headed to the beach,
Yes.
to a restaurant. But yeah, Jasmine was just telling me how
I miss my family, my mom, my dad.
she said she missed her mom and her dad, and her dad and her was so close, but like I felt that spot and
No. You don't feel that spot because you don't do stuff with me. Me and my dad do everything together.
she said like her and her dad used to do everything together, and now like I do everything.
Now there's a void missing in my life.
No. She said.
So dad moved to California.
She said I didn't miss my dad like that. Like Bronson, like me and my dad was cool, but now like I got.
Oh, you wish.
To now be together, it's a different story, and I appreciate that. Hey, this is where we stand though.
Your girlfriend.
Hey, Puerto Rico. Yeah, that's our homie.
Yeah, that's a homegirl. She hella black actually.
What's happening?
What's happening, Puerto Rico? Yeah. Like what? Okay.
We got a little Airbnb though.
It's nice. Y'all seen it earlier.
Oh yeah, we did show y'all. But yeah, we in where we at, babe? Isla Verde.
San Juan?
Carolina. Chili's.
Hey,
Out of all the random restaurants, it's the Chili's right here.
I know a Chili's, like not a Applebee's, not a Red Lobster, not a American Red, not a Red Robin.
All right, but Chili. We talk about Chili's.
Chili's, like y'all like Chili's? Not a fried TGI Fridays. Like Fridays, get it together. Y'all supposed to be out here in Puerto Rico with that Cajun shrimp pasta. Y'all ain't tried that Cajun shrimp pasta from Fridays? Get y'all life. On the agenda for today is to book some events for tomorrow because we got played earlier because we're only a certain age. We're not 28 yet, so I guess we can't get a discount, whatever that means. So we're gonna book some what is it? Some jet skis, some horseback riding, some what's the place called, babe? Jet skis, horseback riding, and we're gonna go to another place where you can see like the mountains and stuff of Puerto Rico. So I want to do salsa dancing because I'm a dancer. In case y'all haven't noticed, I'm a dancer. I know I didn't tell y'all, but I dance. That's what I do.
Look at that bus. Show that bus.
Hey, look at this school bus. It's lit. It's a tricked out.
School. They love school here.
It's a tricked out school bus. It got spinners on it and I don't know what that is. A charter school bus. It's
Party bus.
It's lit though. But yeah, we're on our way to get some food.
Wait, do you know where you're going?
Yeah, we're going this way. Yeah, I know where we're going. This way. I'm from here, period. I was out here looking up occupational therapy jobs and stuff. Like, I might do a little travel assignment or something out here. Learn the language, you know, get better at my Spanish so I can talk to my clients. And so I could just be cultured. I'm cultured in Black culture, American culture. I would like to be cultured in a little bit of Spanish.
A little bit of Spanish in my life.
It just gives you like
a little bit of jazzy.
More language. You can connect with more people, so that's dope to me. Anyway, so we're gonna do jet skis, horseback riding. Okay, they fighting.
She likes beef?
Yeah, she was mad.
Okay, as you can see, they have road rage here.
They have road rage here in Puerto Rico. It's crazy. No, I'm just playing. That was like the first incidents I've seen. Everybody has been very nice. Even the police, like, that was talking to Bronson like he was his boy or something. Right?
Nah, he was like low-key trying to extort me for some money or something.
They got Church's Chicken. Did we tell y'all that last night?
Yeah, that was yesterday, man.
Well, we still out here by Church's Chicken. And y'all knew about Roof Chris already. It's hot though, I ain't gonna front. It's like hot to be walking. We got a car.
It's a perfect temperature. Actually.
Yeah, it is. It's good, but like if you walk in, it's like a little hot. Like I could walk, you know, I can get there. I'm not lazy. I could be a little hot, a little uncomfortable for a minute, but yeah, homeboy looking at me because we vlogging. Probably they ain't never seen no YouTubers out here.
Hey, those airplanes.
Shout out to all the Puerto Rican YouTubers, if there's any. I'm sure there is.
Tony. Shout out to El Tony.
Will he teach Spanish?
Nah, he like a little funny type of YouTuber guy.
And he Puerto Rican and live out here?
Yeah, he be doing like beach interviews and stuff.
Oh, that's cool. Maybe we could do some weird stuff like that and have a whole nother video.
We got enough memory right now.
We gonna do a who's taller, because Bronson think he as tall as me. We're gonna do a who's taller beach interview. Am I taller than him?
No.
Am I taller than him?
No.
They gonna say, sí, mucho alta. Look y'all, it's some black people.
She got micros too.
Bronson said she got micros. Like what? The more crochets, honey.
Let's save some memory though.
Okay, I'll talk to y'all when we get to the beach and out to eat. Bye.
We at the beach. Anyway.
It's that white privilege stuff. Come to the restaurant, no shirt, no service. Like,
No shirt, no service. My man's over there with the beard and the beer belly.
she got no shirt on, no pants. Like, we don't want to do all that. I got on a whole pussy.
What should we get? The classic mofongo?
We're gonna get fried fish bites.
Ugh.
That sound bad. What
Y'all
kind of
see
fish
me?
is that?
Hey, my haircut. Low.
I'll do with the music.
Bye. What is that? Hey, stay tuned. We're gonna take her to some salsa classes in a couple of days. We're gonna get her right. No worries. Jasmine getting her Instagram post. Got the margaritas. We got the Patron margarita by the liter. We got the nachos with pork. Yes, we eat pork. We'll see how good it is. We got the tacos. Taco con pecado. The fish tacos. It was. Hey, but yeah, we'll let you know how it is. It's good. Let's take our word.
It's October.
It's October.
It's Halloween.
Halloween, we at the beach. Buildings. Jazz, how's the beach? You like it?
It's nice. I had to use the bathroom though. You ain't let me go.
Oh, my bad. Hey, it's my song. I don't need to get marked. Jazz over here. Such a cute little chunky chunk.
Oh my goodness, how cute. But he's okay with me saying that she's cute, so.
You want a chair or anything, or you want a towel?
Where
Good.
did you get a chair from? A towel?
You gotta buy them.
They do a towel. They get them from their hotel, babe.
No, they sell them here.
You can rent them?
Yeah.
You did it before?
I just know.
My baby like, I'm not new to this. I'm cool with this.
Is this Puerto Rico or Mexico? I mean, or Miami?
Mexico?
Miami. I meant to say Miami. Nah, not Mexico. He like, hell no, this ain't Mexico. Miami. getting water, man. I don't care. I need a little bit of salt water. What's today, Friday? It's an empty beach day for it to be like a weekend day, you know? Or the weekend type stuff. Oh.
On her side.
Yep.
Huh?
Yeah.
Really?
Alright.
I'm not as big as her.
Say something to the camera. What you have to say?
Here, right? Hola, yo te por agua ahora, pero mi bebé. I'm just playing, y'all. Yo hablo español mucho. Yo muy cansado ahora. Muy cansado ahora.
She got her to-go box. She got nachos and chips and all, everything. Her eyes are too bigger than her stomach. Or too big for her stomach.
Yo mucho cansado. Pero
No dormir. Alright, we go out to relax, you know, chill at the beach for a little bit. Maybe jet skis today or no?
Huh?
Jet skis today or no?
CBS. No jet skis today. Tomorrow.
Jet skis tomorrow?
We still gotta book it.
They're right down there.
I cannot drive a jet ski right now.
Okay, jet skis not today.
I need my towel though so I can lay down.
Alright, we out.
Hi guys, I'm in Puerto Rico. And Bronson just spilled.
Sorry. Sorry.
And I know it's in here. Yep, because it was all in my eyes. Bronson, really?
It's an accident, babe. I'm sorry.
I don't know. It's just like sometimes.
It's an accident.
Sometimes you don't think about other people. Like, I literally can't drink this anymore. I had a nice cup of water. Oops, sorry y'all. It's upside down. I had a nice cup of water that I can no longer drink because Bronson got sand all in it. And now he got sand all in the camera. Oh God, he a hot mess. He really, like, look at his backpack right now. He's very like, it's gonna be okay, like relax. And I'm very like, I'm very uptight. Like, I'm a very uptight, organized planner type of person. Like, I like to know, like, this is what we doing tomorrow. Like, this is what it is. Like, this is what we doing today. Like, that's just very me. I'm not a go with the flow type of person. Like, I'm flexible at times when it comes to like work or stuff like that. But other stuff, I'm just like, I need to know. Like, I feel most comfortable when I know things, period. Like, anyways, with that being said, look y'all, you know you act different when you got braids or you got like a sew-in or something. You be like, with that being said, these are Dear Summer Boutique shades, which is my boutique. You can shop online. These are on sale. These are on sale for I think like $12. You know what, I'm gonna look it up and I'm gonna tell y'all. I feel like I'm, what's her name, off of Friday. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Like, tell me who she was. Look at my boyfriend. He look like a model. He embarrassed, y'all. He embarrassed because he look like a model. He been working out for 2 months for this. Honest. Look at him. He out there sticking out his middle finger. Ain't he rude? Like, he's very rude. Like, why would he do that to y'all? I don't understand that. Okay, it's a little blurry, but So relaxing that he's passed out. I'm just up chilling or whatever. God is so good. Do y'all know that? Like, God is really good. Like, everything that we have, everything that we blessed with, all our life experiences that we have, it's all because of God. Like, God made this. God made this ocean, this sand, me. He gave me Bronson to experience this with. It's just all thanks to God, right? And that's beautiful when you think about it, right? I don't mean to get deep on y'all, but this is all made from God. And we give all thanks to God. None of this is because of me or me working hard. It's all because of God. And he blessed me with this opportunity, and he blessed me with the resources and everything to just have a nice week vacation and to relax, and to experience life and culture and people, and all of that is just very beautiful. It really is. And I just love my friends and I love my family, and I just wish they was here to experience all of this. I got Bronson here. I got Bronson, but no, I'm playing. I'm happy Bronson here to experience this, and I just want to be able to bring my friends and bring my family and experience this with all my loved ones, because it's really fun and it's really beautiful and it's a good experience, honestly. It's just really nice and peaceful and relaxing, and everybody just deserves this, you know? Everybody just deserves a break. Life can be fast-paced, and life can be hard, and life can be a struggle, but in between the midst of all of that, everybody deserves some peace. Everybody deserves a rest. Everybody deserves a break. And this is giving me that peace. It's giving me that break from my job, from life in general. And you can just kind of relax and thank God and appreciate him for your time and for your life and his provision and everything that he does. So I'm living for this moment right now, period. Life is all about living your best life, period. And I felt a little ratchet with these braids, so period. Puerto Rico. Hola. Yo soy Jasmine.
Y your boy is Bronson.
Él es mi novio. He down here singing, y'all. I just gave him a little show. They love that. Where we going, babe?
You going right here?
Huh?
Going right here.
In here? Oh, okay. They jamming in here. Why'd you say in here?
Huh?
Why'd you say, when I said where we going, you said in here?
Sorry.
Babe, are you
Up here.
okay?
Hey, what's happening, y'all? Look at this.
Huh, babe?
We got a 7-minute walk. We just going to the Ritz-Carlton.
We just gonna be vibing at the Ritz-Carlton. Here, y'all wanna see a Spanish menu? They open 24 hours. They have mofongo. Oh, it was yuca. Yuca means mash, I think. Is yuca mashed, y'all? I don't know. Somebody help me. Bronson leaving me though because he in a rush to go blow his money at the casino. So that's what we about to go do. Period, poop. I've had, ever since we got off our first flight, of sore throat. So I'm just eating a cough drop right now. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Bronson walking in the middle of the street trying to get hit. Everything out here just smell like a bar of soap.
So I haven't been dressing up lately, you know, I've been wearing athletic gear. Jasmine has been out dressing me. I told her
I
not to
just
do that.
dress casual. Period.
Hold on, make it.
Hey. That's why we're gonna take salsa lesson classes.
I'm good, Anna. Look, do I need lessons?
Y'all say yes or no. Does he need lessons? All right, I'll see y'all at the casino.
Hey, you can't see me. It's dark. I'm dark.
In the dark, in the dark, in the
Jazz
dark.
ain't that dark.
In the dark.
We still walking.
I'm
We
in the dark going crazy.
went to the Ritz-Carlton. It is closed because of Hurricane Maria, which was 2 years ago, but they said they're still kind of recovering from it, so it's not open yet. So we headed to the Marriott, Courtyard Marriott. It's supposed to be a casino in here. You know, so the hopes are alive for winning this moolah, as they would say, where I'm from, which is Grand Rapids. Jazz, anything, any words? All right, Jazz ready to get to the place. I'm kind of hot, as you can see. I'm sweating on my nose, my lip. It's hot as hell. I got on long sleeves. When I say hot as hell, I'm not really cursing. I'm really, you know, no pun intended. You know, it's really hot as hell. I would imagine hell is. It would probably be like this, but like a couple degrees hotter. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, it's crazy out here. The police ain't joking. Hey, if I win money, you will see. If I don't win money, you won't see. Simple as that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and all that good stuff, you know. Turn your brightness up to see me if you want to. We out. Hey, I won $4 at the casino. Jazz, how much you win, Jazz?
Hello. My name's Zelman. Gonna be your waiter for tonight.
Oh, do you mind being on camera? I'm sorry. I don't mind. Are you good?
I don't mind.
Hey, bro, you look like you look like Pablo Escobar, but not the actual person, but the actor from Narcos.
Really?
You ever get that or no? You ever heard that?
Yeah.
You heard that before?
Yeah, Netflix.
Yeah, that's what you look like. You look like Pablo Escobar from Narcos. Okay, Pablo. Your name Pablo?
I can do that. My name is Pablo Emilio Escobar Gaviria.
Soy Pablo Emilio Escobar Gaviria. Plato o ploma.
Plata o plomo.
Yeah, plata o plomo.
So guys, can I get your beverages?
Everything's
in the back, by the way.
Pudiera darme un agua, por favor.
Agua, botella, vaso.
Botella.
Botella.
Yeah, botella.
Botella. Good. No, it's good. It was good.
Yeah.
Water as well.
¿Cuánto cuesta un botella?
¿La botella?
Sí.
2.5, 3 pesos.
Ok, está bien.
Seguro.
What's the $3 or what? What's the happy hour?
I was recording. In case you already know, I know Spanish too. Un poquito. Estoy aprendiendo español por un año hermano y mes. ¿Qué? Hey, water. I got water. I got a bottle of water. Un botella de agua.
You don't want no food?
I gotta log off because the music. Gotta go. So it's like 1 in the morning. What time is it, Jazz? Hold on. It's 1:40 a.m. And me and Jazz over here eating freaking a whole meal because we didn't eat to this our second meal of the day technically. So you know, I got some arroz con pollo y habichuelas. I got some rice and chicken and beans, and Jasmine got some pork, chicken and beans. Is that pork?
Yes, it's a grilled pork chop and it looks fire like my mama made it, like she fried it.
And we stand over here like where them lights is over there, so oh my bad, we can't tell where we stand at. But yeah, it look good also. It's the end of night number 2. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And look at Jasmine looking all cute or whatever. What?
Heavenly Father, thank you for this meal that we're about to eat. Thank you for these blessings and getting us to Puerto Rico safely and having an amazing day and an amazing time. Amen.
Hey, take care, y'all. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, like I just said, like 15 minutes ago, 15 seconds ago. Yo. Okay, JJ, go ahead and throw down in.
My mom would like this.
How is it?
That was a piece of fat.
Alright. Hold on, we're gonna give her one last little. Oh, she needs some hot sizzle.
That's very black of me, but it needs some hot spice. But it's got a good taste. That's what you like black people.
It's good, babe? Alright, we out though. She liked it. We out. It looked pretty tender and like, you know, good, easy to cut. So that's good by me. But we out though.